Our goal at Lawrenceburg Community School Corporation is always to try to be at the forefront when it comes to technology and what's out there for us to share with our staff, with our students. With AI being such a heavy topic right now, we wanted to try to be at that forefront.
I think our series of workshops provided that initial launch and level setting, and then it allowed for differentiation. The work of our primary school is very different than the work of our high school.
We appreciate the introduction that was provided to our staff for those that may not have dabbled with AI yet. Also going a little bit deeper for those who have some experience with AI.
Our teachers have a great awareness of how to use this as a catalyst for their own workload, as well as how to integrate this into our classrooms to best meet the needs of our students.
We didn't want students to feel like, oh, I can't use AI in the classroom because that's against all educational rules. We wanted to bring teachers and students together so it can be embraced.
I think our teachers have really become a master of creating prompts that are going to elicit from AI explicitly what they need, and then maybe when they don't get exactly what they want, how to recraft that prompt to create something that is tailored perfectly to what they needed.
Each of our buildings, they have instructional technology specialists at each grade level, and we had the opportunity to meet with them. And one of the topics we wanted to talk about was to get feedback from the AI professional development. And it was all positive feedback that we received from them. And the high school teachers, I was really impressed with how one of the high school English teachers had shared that they were teaching the kids how to use AI appropriately and how to cite it. If they're going to use it as a source or reference, then teaching them how to cite it within their works.
Not at all. We don't want them to know this good thing that's out there. Okay, fine. I mean, you're telling our secrets.
Definitely, we would recommend, if a corporation is out there that is hesitant, I think it was a good professional development that would introduce the topic and start to differentiate the different levels as well.